Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 3 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. You have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter decimals. The lessons we're going to cover are add and subtract decimals with problem add 3 or more decimals. Then we'll start the new chapter fractions, and the lessons are convert between hours and fractions of hours, relate time units and write times. Let's start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 3 maths. Okay, let's start with the lesson. I forgot the chapter name actually. Hold on. Decimals, okay. Okay, here is decimals. Okay, add and subtract decimals word problems. Kendall bought a piece of fabric that was 73 meters long. Then she cut 73.5 meters of it. After user sewing project, how much fabric is left? So you have to subtract. I have to do 7.5. 7.3 minus 3.5. Got it? You cannot subtract 3 out of 5, so you borrow 1. It would be now 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then you have to do 6 minus 3. 16, 6 minus 3 is 3. That means 3.8 meter of fabric is left. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Lucy had 0.2 grams of paper. Then she used 0.1 grams of paper to make some scrambled eggs. How many paper does Lucy have left? So you have to see how much Lucy is left. So you have to subtract total out of used. Total one is 0.2 and used is 0.1. Subtract 2 minus 2, 1 is 1 and it would be 0.1. So the correct option is 0.1. Okay, a bee colony produced 0.9 pounds of honey, but bear ate 0.7 pounds of it. How much honey remains? So the total honey is 0.9. Bear ate 0.7 and you calculate the one that is left. So you have to do 0.9 minus 0.5. Got it? 9 minus 5 is 4. That means the left one is 0.4 pounds. Got it? That would be 0.2 pounds. Okay. Logan bought 0.3 pounds of peanuts and 0.2 pounds of raisins. How many pounds of snack did he buy in all? So that would be 0.3 pounds of peanuts and 0.2 pounds of raisins. You have to calculate the total snacks he buy and all you have to add whenever you have to calculate he buy and all and total, that means you have to add them. Just add 3 plus 2 is 5 and that would be 0.5. Got it? Okay, a carpenter bought a piece of wood that was 95 meters long. Then he saw 2.2 meters off the end. How long is the piece of wood now? So you have to subtract 9.5 minus 2.2. 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. It would be 7 minus 3. That means the piece of wood is 7.3 meters long. Okay, on a school trip, class travels 3.1 kilometer by train and 3.5 kilometer by bus. How far did the class travel? You have to calculate the total distance. Got it? So for the total distance, you have to add them 3.1 and 3.5. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 3 is 6. It would be 6.6. So the correct option is 6.6. Okay, Kendall bought a piece of fabric that was 7.3 meter long. Then she cut 3.5 meter of it off to use in a sewing project. How much fabric is left? So you have to do 7.3 minus 3.5. Got it? Cannot subtract 3 out of 5. You have to borrow 1. That makes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So it would be 3.8. The correct option is 3.8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is add 3 or more decimals. So you have to add decimals. Got it? More than 2 decimals. Okay. Start with the rightmost digits. Just add all them. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. You have to write 1 over here and carry 1. Got it? It would be 9, 10 and 11. Here you have 1 and carry 1. Got it? It would be 9 plus 5 is 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. It would be 18.11 is the correct option. Got it? So the correct option is 18.11. Okay, let's just add the other one. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Then you have 6 and 4, 10. Write 0 here and carry 1. It would be 1.08. So the correct option is 1.08 is the correct one. Okay, add. 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 plus 4 is 17. 7 and 1 carry. It would be 5 plus 4 is 9 and 1 10. Plus 2 12, it will be 12.7. So the correct option is 12.7. Got it? Yes, very good. Okay, let's just add 0.66, 0.51 and 0.14. Start adding from rightmost digit. It would be 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11, 1 and 1 carry. It would be 6 and 5, 11, 1, 12 and 1, 13. So it would be 1.31. So the correct option is 1.31. Very good. Okay, add 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 6, 1 carry. It would be 1.60. Got it. The correct option is 1.60. Okay, the next one is at 3.7, 9.5 and 2.2, which is the correct option. Correct option is 15.4. Okay, you can complete the test tube by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So we're done with the lesson decimals. We're going to start the new chapter, that would be time. Here it is. Convert between hours and fractions of hours. Okay, how many minutes do we have in 1 hour? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Got it? Okay. 15-minute equal how many quarters? 15-minute equal 1/4 hour. Quarter means 1/4 hour. So 15-minute equal and 2 quarter hour equal 2 quarter hour means 15 minutes and 15 minutes. So 15 plus 15 makes 30 minutes and 30 minutes equal 1/2 hour. Got it? 15 minutes is 1 quarter hour. Okay, how many minutes equal half hours? Which is the correct option? Okay, let's just understand the concepts. Okay, so basically 1 hour equal 60 minutes. If you have 30 minutes, 30 minutes is 1/2 hour. Got it? Because 30 and 30 makes 1 hour. Then you have 15 minutes. 15 minutes is 1 quarter hour. Got it? Okay, how many minutes equal half hour? Yes, 30 minutes equal half hour. How many hours equal 2 half hours? 2 half hour means 30 minutes and 30 minutes. 30 minutes and 30 minutes makes how many hours? 30 minutes and 30 minutes makes 60 minutes. That means you have 1 hour. Got it? So it would be 32, 30. 2 half hours make 1 hour. Got it? How many minutes equal 1 quarter hour? One quarter hour equals 15 minutes. Got it? So 1 quarter hour equals 15 minutes. How many quarter hour equals 1 hour? One hour equal how many quarter hours? No. 2 quarter hour means 15 plus 15. And 4 quarter hour means 15 plus 15 plus 15 and plus 15, and together they make 60. So 1 hour equals 4 quarter hours. Okay, 1 hour equal how many minutes? One hour equals 60 minutes. Very good. Okay, 2 quarter hour equals how many half hour? 2/4 hour makes 1/2 hour. 2/4 hour means 15 plus 15, so it makes 30 minutes. Got it? Okay, how many half hour is in equal 30 minute? 1/2 hour equal 30 minutes. Got it? How many hours equal to half hours? 2 half hours equal 1 hour. Got it? One hour equal how many quarter hours? 1 hour equal 4 quarter hours. Got it? How many quarter hour equals 15 minutes? 1/4 hour equals 15 minutes. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That would be read relate time units. Let's just start with the next lesson. How many minutes are in an hour? Yes, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how many days are in a normal year, not a leap year? Which is the correct option? So in 1 year you have 365 days. The correct option is 365. Very good. Okay, how many seconds are in a minute? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. In 1 minute you have 60 seconds. How many whole weeks in a year? In 1 year, how many weeks do we have? 52 it is. In one year, whole year, you have 52 whole weeks. So the correct option is 52. How many minutes in an hour? 60 it is. How many years are in a millennium? In millennium? 1000. Mm, yes, it is 1000. Okay, how many hours in a day? In one day, you have 24 hours. How many whole weeks in a month? You have 4 weeks in a month. The correct option is 4. How many days in a week? That would be 7. How many years in a decade? Yes, that means 10. In a decade, you have 10 years, not 12. Okay, how many days in a leap year? That would be 366. Got it? You have one more day. It would be 366. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is write times. Let's see how do we write time. Okay, what is the time using digits in a and a colon? Write a time. Okay, half past 8. Half past means half hours past to 8. Got it? So it would be 8:30. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the time using digit and colon? Write this time using digit and colons 3 o'clock, which is the correct option. Yes, which is the correct option? It would be option number 1, 3 o'clock like this. You can write 3 o'clock like this. Got it? Correct option is 3. It would be write the time using digit and colon 11:30. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 11 and 30. Very good. Okay, the next one is 10:30, which is the correct option. Yes, that would be 10:30. Write the time using digits and colon 7 o'clock, which is the correct option. That would be the second one. Okay, write the time using digits and a colon 5:30, which is the correct option. That is option number 1. Okay, write the time using digits and colon 8:30, which is the correct option. It would be option number 1, 8:30. Okay, 4:30, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 4:30. Write the time using digits 1 o'clock, which is the correct option. Yes, that would be the second one. 7:30, which is the correct option. That would be 7:30. Okay, 5 o'clock, which is the correct option. That would be the second one. Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 maths. We have started with the chapter decimals. The lessons we have covered today are add and subtract decimal word problems, add 3 or more decimals. Then we start to the chapter fractions, and the lessons we have covered are convert between our hours and fractions of hours, relate time units, and write time. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact and you on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.